this recipe, we're gonna need some garlic, some rosemary, and some thyme. We're gonna chop all the herbs together, and then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground sage. We are going to leave our meat out at least 30 minutes before cook it. This will allow you to have a much juicier and tender meat. I'm going to put salt and pepper on all the sides of the roast. When our pan is nice and hot, we're gonna put our roast in it, and we're gonna add half cup of red wine. We're gonna start browning our meat right now, so we're gonna brown all the sides. If there is any leftover wine at the bottom, you can remove the roast and clean it up, so you will prevent the burning of the bottom of the pan. We're gonna add our herbs on top of our roast, and after we're gonna be done with this, we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 for an hour. To give the roast a boost of flavor, we're gonna bring to a boil 2 cups of water with 1 bouillon cube. We will inject our roast in multiple spots, going quite deep in the roast to reach all the fibers. Your roast is ready when it reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Look how cute it is. After it's being cut, you can see the beautiful red color. It's very nice and tender and very juicy. Now I'm gonna cut a slice so I can show you a little bit up close. And here you have it. This is how I make my roast. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.